and your sales of bots with BotEngage. How to create the world's highest converting, best performing bots with BotEngage. How to use BotEngage's AI technology to tenfold your conversion rates with lead magnetizing. How to create chatbot messages that hypnotize your visitors into handing over their money and/or email. How to find new clients to buy bots from you all the time, and how to find those clients who will pay you time and time again. All step-by-step, easy to follow, fast to implement masterclass. Delivered by the creators of BotEngage, who know it better than anyone else and can now pass this superior knowledge on to you. BotEngage Monthly Template Collective. 40 times superior templates every single month. All done for you, ready to go whenever you need them. All top niches. Time-saving, effort-saving, constantly refreshing. Keeps you well ahead of your competition. It keeps you looking fresh and current. Use it for yourself or for your paying clients. 40 premium VIP templates directly to your inbox every single month. Top-level templates not available anywhere else. Only pay once. Plus, your BotEngage template injection will give you over 250 VIP templates delivered instantly in all of the hottest niches. Now you are a VIP member, you've put yourself at the forefront of BotEngage profits, both increasing the results and profits you're going to get from using BotEngage and the profits and results you're going to get from selling your AI bots to rabid buyers. With this groundbreaking mix of easy-to-follow, fast-to-action sales training and a selection of brand new, ready-to-go bot templates delivered every single month, plus over 250 stunning VIP bot templates instantly, you're going to stay well ahead of your competition. Know how to milk more money out of your own bots. Know how to sell more bots to more people more often and have the tools to do so. Being a Platinum VIP member keeps you well ahead of your competition. The key to making money online is longevity. If you want to make big bank, and often, you need your endeavors online to be sustainable. And for this, you need support, guidance, practical training, and the tools to do it. And it needs to be ongoing. So we're giving you all that right here, right now, when you click below. The harsh truth is, you need to keep moving with the times to keep ahead of your competition. We want your BotEngage results and profits to constantly and consistently grow, flourish, and last. And we know you do too. And there's one really easy way to make sure it does. Click that buy button below and sustain, survive, and thrive with essential training to start selling, keep selling, and get more profitable by the day. A huge injection of instant red-hot niche AI templates right now, and a killer set of brand new templates delivered right to you every single month to expand your possibilities, your clients, and your profits. The bad news is we are only offering VIP Platinum membership for this exclusive launch period only. Our valued entrepreneurs who sign up now will be the only people who have exclusive membership for a one-time price. The very second this is over, pricing will revert to only monthly pricing. But get in today and you'll be grandfathered in for this low one-time price for as long as you need. You've already seen how becoming a Platinum VIP member is going to give you both the knowledge and the tools to get better results and profits from both your own bots and those you make for your clients. Plus, it gives you all the benefits of a template club and a training academy for just a low one-time fee, with absolutely no recurring costs ever. Click below to get started right before one-time membership is removed forever. And you'd be out there bagging high-paid clients after high-paid client and be able to charge them more for your services. Stop imagining and take a look at your BotEngage Agency Toolkit, your personalized suite of marketing tools working together to keep your AI bot business up and running faster with maximum results, maximum profits, and minimum effort. Your BotEngage Agency Toolkit includes over $6,488 of expertly created tools indispensable to the success of your new AI bot business, including your personalized, ready-to-go agency website, your professionally designed to convert, ready-to-go landing pages, pimp-to-sell telemarketing scripts, high-converting PowerPoint presentations and pitch deck, ready-to-mail email swipes with maximum clickability. Plus, we're going to remove all our branding, meaning you can personalize bots as your own, and that can help you charge more too. And we're going to give you a very special and profitable bonus. We're giving you 10 times the BotEngage reseller licenses for you to sell 10 BotEngage licenses for pure profit as an extra cash injection. And we're offering you all this for much less than the cost of one of these elements alone, right here, right now, and on this page only. And the reason we're offering you such an amazing deal, simple. You've invested and put your trust in BotEngage, so we have a responsibility to make sure you have every chance at success, to land as many clients as possible, and to make maximum bank from every single sale. But this is the only time this package will ever be offered for this price. With your ultimate BotEngage Agency Kit, you'll be able to make sure that your first impression counts every time, turning leads into clients and potential deals into actual deals and physical dollars. Making sure you make an outstanding impression throughout your every AI bot selling process, ensuring that every visitor instantly knows that your AI bots are something awesome, something different, something groundbreaking, something pure quality. Quality they can trust, quality they are confident about, and quality that they can invest more in. Remember, everyone deserves a kickstart, and this is yours. So take this advantage to get your new AI bot goldmine out there in the most professional, successful, and profitable way possible. Grab your BotEngage Consultant Toolkit below and choose the right track to fast success. Let's make every first impression count in cash.